and streamlining, eh? Get a load of this, folks.
Extra, extra, Hare challenges Tortoise. Read all about it. Hare races Tortoise today. What, again?
The contestants say, may the best man win.
That's me. I can't lose, folks. I got a secret weapon.
The gambling ring says,
We're betting everything we got on the rabbit to win. In fact, we don't even think that the title will finish, do we, boys?
No, boss, no.
Where's that title? Where's that title?
Oh, Speedy.
He did it before, and he can do it again, and he can do it again. He did it before.
I'll do it again.
Hi, you small, green, and gruesome. All set? Okay, let's go. 1 for the money, 2 for the show, 3 to make like ready, and 4 to... Go!
Time's a-wasting, Speedy.
Why, that little conniver. Ooh, I'll show him. Look, folks, modern design.
Woohoo!
Hey, you guys, here comes the title.
Take that, you dirty title! Take that!
Title Schmeidel, I'm the rabbit.
You're the title!
Rabbit.
Title!
Rabbit.
Title!
Rabbit.
Yep, that's the title, all right.
Hooray for the rabbit! Hooray! Hooray for the rabbit!
I told you rabbits aren't very bright.